Hey guys, it's Jerica. Welcome back to my channel. I decided to go ahead and do this Juvia's Place tutorial or review over again because everybody was hating on me for that last video and they're just like, you're being so negative and rude. And sorry if y'all see me looking off, like I'm trying to kill this little bug that got in here, and I got my bug spray right here, so if I'm just randomly if my eyes are just randomly wandering, it's because I see it and I'm trying to find the perfect moment to spray it. So a lot of people were hating on me for that video, and I'm just like why can't I be mad about the fact that I can't return something? And people were saying stuff about the foundation. I mean, just people were just mad at me for that video, and I just don't understand why. So, but for that video, I reviewed the concealer, the foundation, and the setting powder. I'm not using that concealer again. It's way too light. There's no point in me doing it again. It's gonna look terrible. It's just not working. So I'm gonna do this tutorial over, but I'm gonna use concealer that I know works. So I'm gonna use my ColourPop concealer because there's just no point in trying to do the video over with the same stuff that I know it's not going to work. That's why that video came out so horrible, because that concealer was so trash. It threw off my entire makeup look. It made my makeup just look so bad. And I also don't think this is the best shade for me, but seeing that I can't return it to get a better shade, I'm just going to try this one more time with concealer that I know works and just give it, you know, give it a fair chance. So I'm looking for my ColourPop concealer and I don't see it, and I'm getting worried because, oh, here it is. It's right in my face. All right, so I've already primed. Well, I didn't prime my face. I've already moisturized my face. This is supposed to be a velvety matte foundation, so I don't think it's like matte like Fenty matte, but it says it's matte. So I got the shade Kampala, and it says apply with a wet beauty sponge or a synthetic makeup brush with a sweeping and buffing motion. So I might do one side with my sponge and one side with a brush just to see if there's like some type of difference. So as for primer, I'm going to go in with what I normally go in with. I'm going to go in with my NYX Studio Perfect Photo Loving Primer. I really like this stuff. Like, and excuse me if the lighting is horrible. I'm using natural lighting right now, and I'm literally racing against time. I started this video really late. It's 6:45, and normally I'm really gonna try and focus this. I'm really gonna try and focus on starting to get up earlier and actually having a morning routine. Like, I struggle with sleeping in, you guys. Like, I can sleep in if nobody wakes me up. I could literally sleep in until like 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And like today, I had to get up for a doctor's appointment. Like, if I don't have nothing to get up for, I can sleep my entire day away. And then, like, I hate getting up early. And then when I don't get up early, I'm mad that I didn't get up early, and I feel so ashamed and unproductive. So I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna have to start forcing myself to get up, and I don't know how I'm gonna do that. But I just really want to have a morning routine. So I'm gonna work on that, and if I can, that's one of my goals, is to get a morning routine. Start waking up at like 7 in the morning, and, you know, working out and reading and just getting my self-care over with in the mornings, and, you know, working, editing videos, doing all that kind of stuff, because I should be like, there's no way I should be filming right now, like, unless I was planning a video for a specific reason. But anyway, so we're gonna go in with Kampala. Like, I know it's too dark for me. Like, it's already been established. Yeah, it's definitely too dark. Okay, so I'm gonna put this on my face. Like I said, it's too dark. Just roll with the flow, okay? Because like I said in my last video, it's too dark. We already know this, but it's supposed to be full coverage. So we're just gonna, I'm gonna see how it applies with a sponge and then with the brush. Okay, so on the other side, I'm going to use a brush. Unless it comes out like a complete disaster, then I'm gonna switch back to my sponge. Okay, Okay, now that I have my whole face on, y'all can clearly see how much darker this is. Like, you know it's dark when you gotta go over your eyelids. I normally don't go over my eyelids with foundation normally because foundation is the last step in my makeup tutorials. So, you know, I normally never have to go over my eyelids, but I had to keep my face all one shade for this video. So as far as brush or sponge, I don't know, I feel like it applied the same no matter what I use. So it definitely is a velvety matte. Like the foundation kind of reminds me of some type of mousse. It's like, it's not mousse, but it's just so smooth and creamy like a mousse. It's really, I really like the texture of it, and I like how it blends out. Do my concealer, my contour, my usual routine. So now I'm going to go on with my ColourPop concealer in dark 40 and put this under my eyes and do my contouring with my, I'm gonna try it with my Makeup Revolution in C16. I hear loud music outside. It's gotta be my husband. Yep, here he comes. Hey, babe. I'm filming a video. I was filming and I was like, I hear loud radio music. My husband's home. I'm like, well, he's home. He'll be walking in any minute. And there you are. Alright, y'all, so I got the concealer and the contour you can't even really see. Like, this foundation is so dark that you can't even see that contour. But for the powder, I went... Dang. With the powder, I went with the color Sahara because I didn't want anything that was translucent. I already got a good translucent powder. So, let me go ahead and give this another shot. So I'm dipping my brush in. Maybe I should turn my fan off. Everything's going that way. That bug is back. Okay, so I'm going to set under my eye. Okay, so this definitely has a brightening effect, that's for sure. Major brightening. Okay, I didn't really do it right on that side, but it's okay. This powder is hella hard to sweep away. Like, I'm almost wiping off my foundation trying to get this off. Like, is it this brush? Now I'm looking at my brushes like, okay, pretty much got rid of it. So I'm gonna try and set the rest of my face. And I say try because I haven't found a good finishing powder. And I know a lot of people on YouTube are using the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. But it's like, I don't know how I feel about that. Their deep is not deep. So it's like, they be going in there, these white girls be trying to match you, like, no offense, but these white girls be trying to match you. And last time I let a white girl match me, like, I came home looking like a banana. I'm like, dude, like, this is so wrong. And even in the store I told her that, I'm like, this foundation is so wrong. It is way too yellow for me. It just was not working. She's like, no, trust me, this is gonna work. And then I got home and I'm like, yeah, banana, pound cake, anything else that's yellow, that's what I look like. I took that stuff back the next day. So for bronzer, I'm going to use the Fenty bronzer, and I don't know how I feel about this bronzer. Like, I feel like it's hard to show up. Like I said, maybe it's my brushes that I'm using, but I'm having a hard time with this showing up on my skin. Not really showing up on my skin, but because this shows up, but you can see it but maybe I'm just used to, I don't know. This little bug that's in here, y'all, like, it is driving me up. It's been in this house for days, and apparently it's reproducing, because I killed one earlier while I was eating my cereal, and now here's another one. And it's just like, what are you? I don't know what type of species this bug is, but it's so irritating, and it won't go away. Like, I kill one and then here comes another one, and it's like either this bug is reproducing or this bug is reincarnating itself, because it just will not go away. So now that I've actually taken the chance to try this makeup tutorial again and actually use concealer that I'm used to using, because that other concealer was too, it was too something. I don't know what it was. It was too light for sure, but it was like too, maybe it was the undertone behind it. It was like a grayish greenish undertone, but like my makeup looked so bad, and even when it was on camera it just looked so dull, and I don't know what was going on with the concealer. Like, I don't even know where I put it. I don't even see it on my desk. I know I didn't throw it away, but I don't see it, so I don't know what I did with it. But you guys, like, it actually doesn't look bad. Now, I don't know if I can leave the house with this face on, because like I said, it doesn't match my neck. I would have had to have gone down my neck, which I did not do. But it looks really good. It looks really natural. My face looks well put together. What do you guys think? Now that I've done the review over, you guys can stop snapping on me. Well, it wasn't my subscribers, it was random people that normally don't even watch my videos that was leaving those types of comments. But yeah, so I like it. So I'm not gonna judge the foundation anymore, okay? I've redone the video with products that I know that I like, and I actually like the setting powder. I think I'm gonna keep it. Well, I have to keep it because I can't return it. So if you guys like this video, I hope you guys thumbs up the video and subscribe. And I do have a new Instagram now, so make sure you follow me on my Instagram. It's Jerika.Sincere. So it's just like my last one, which was just Jerikasyncere. I just put a dot in there because I still have my old page, so I can't use that username. But I just had to get rid of all those spammy followers and stuff, like from a long time ago. So thank you guys so much for watching, and have a good day.